PowerNation Studios, the leader in automotive television production, asked Kaeser Compressors to replace their 25-year-old piston-powered air compressor. We designed a system to meet the needs of their 4 shops with our popular SX5 air compressor. Our team meticulously measured, cut for size, and leveled air piping that runs through a 50,000 square foot building. We installed our SX5 compressor, a backup, and the TBH23 refrigerated dryer that sends clean, reliable, dry air through a filter to each shop. The SX5 has a 100% duty cycle that ensures no downtime with an output of 21 CFM at 125 PSI continuously. And we installed 120-gallon reserve tanks in each shop. They have a space-saving design, and they supply plentiful air that is quiet, which is obviously important in television production. Even if all the other shops are using their air tools at the same time, the backup compressor will share the load. And they're smart. They'll tell you when it's time for maintenance.